皆さん、元気ですか？今日は、や、ゆ、よを勉強しましょう。We'll also study contracted sounds with small や、ゆ、よ. Let's check our progress first with this hiragana chart. We studied all of these hiragana so far, and today we're going to do next line. On the Y line, we study ya, you, yo. There are only 3 letters on the Y line, but when it comes to contracted sounds or glides, these 3 letters will play a significant role. So let's find out what they are. So these 3 letters are basic hiragana, ya and yu and yo. You can also write these 3 letters in a smaller size letters to make contracted sounds, or it is called glides. Different textbooks have different names for these sounds. But first, let's look at the regular size ya, yu, yo. The first letter is ya, ya, ya. Okay, so this hiragana is another hiragana when students often make mistakes with the stroke order. You basically start out by writing hiragana tsu and loop back at the end, and then second stroke is this one, and the third stroke, and then last stroke goes down long enough like this. Now when you write the second stroke on the side, then the hiragana will look like ka. So make sure you put the second stroke on top of this first stroke. Okay, so let's practice writing this together. Right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The second letter, you, you, you. In Japanese, the character yu means hot water, and it is often used to denote hot springs or public bathhouses. So look at this picture when I went to onsen in Japan a few years ago. You see this character yu is prominently displayed on curtains known as noren, and noren are hung at the entrance of onsen, and it serves not only as a sign but also as a partition that offers a modest barrier between the public space outside and the more private space of the bathhouse. And onsen is a place of relaxation, healing. It's very nice. So if you haven't been to onsen, please try to get there next time you visit Japan. Okay, so this hiragana letter yu is a 2-stroke order hiragana. The first stroke goes around big curve and finish the stroke with a sweep, then allows the flow to continue on the second stroke. So in this picture, you see how the first stroke and the second stroke is connected because it's using the cursive character. Okay, so let's practice you writing. Okay, let's see. Here you go. 1, 2. 1, 2. はい、いいです。 this is yo, yo, yo. Yo start with this horizontal line and it goes from left to right. Then from the middle, just like math before, under M line, write a vertical line right down the middle, then veer off to the side and make a loop back over. So let's practice. 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2. So this. And let's talk about small ya, you, yo now. Now, small size ya, you, yo follow after letters in the second column, I down. I use to transcribe contracted sounds, or sometimes it's called glides, and the contracted sounds represent a single syllable. Remember, I talked about writing small tsu in the previous lesson when we were talking about that line. The smaller size ya, you, yo are the same size as small tsu. So please watch how small tsu can be replaced with ya. And these small ya, you, yo represents one syllable. So she plus small ya is sha. This letter is read as hyaku, hyaku. And the small ya, you, yo, these three follows after letters in the second column, E column. When you type these letters, for kya, you can type K-Y-A. For Q, you can type K-Y-U. And for kyo, you can type K-Y-O. And the machine will give you those small ya, you, yo automatically. So let's read this together. Kya, Q, kyo. How about these? Sha, shu, sho. So the glides represents a single syllable. So this is sha, shu, sho. Not shiya, shiyu, shiyo. One syllable. Sha, shu, sho. Let's continue reading. This is cha, chu, cho. And this is nya, nyu, nyo. And he plus small ya, you, yo will be hya, hyu, hyo. With me, mya, myu, myo. And with li, bya, byu, byo. You haven't learned this hiragana yet, but it's coming up in our next lesson. Now, E column hiragana can come with these sounds as well as gi. So with gi plus small ya will be gya, gya. Let's read them all together. Okay, this one, gya. Oops, sorry, I didn't show this cursor. Here you go, gya, gyu, gyo. How about this one? Ja, ju, jo. With B sound, bya, byu, byo. With P sound, pya, pyu, pyo. So this. Alright, so I'm going to point to the letter and I want you to read it. Are you ready? Okay, how about this one? Kya, you, sho, ju, cha, nyu, hyo, byu, pya, myu, ryo. Good job! And these are some words with contracted sounds. So let's read this one. This is isha, hyaku, jisho, myaku. Now, when you type these words, you can type sha as sha or sya. Your keyboard should accept both input. So for isha, it will be isha or isya. 100 will be typed as 100 hyaku hyaku for 100. When you have double consonants and glide together, then it is hard. Alright, so let's try and read these words together. The first one, cap, is cap, cap. Dish is shokki, shokki. 600 is 600, 600. Now, cap, how do you type this on your keyboard? It should be Kyappu for cap. See how it works. And shokki, it is shokki. It takes practice. それでは dictation です。So this is going to be challenging. It will have small ya, you, yo. Okay, so please listen and 書いてください。Number 1. くしゃみ。くしゃみ。くしゃみ is sneeze. Number 2. 住所。住所。住所 is the address. Okay? And then number 3. 駐車。駐車。駐車 has two meanings. One is to park your car, and then the other one is the shut. 駐車. Okay, so let me see how you did. Let me show you the answers. And these are the answers. Wow. Okay, so number 1 is くしゃみ。くしゃみ。Number 2, 住所。住所。Last one is 駐車。駐車。How did you do? Did you get them all correctly? If you did, please put number 3 in the comment. I'd like to see how many of you could get these words all correctly. If you got 2 out of 3, then put number 2 in the comment. If you got 1 out of 3, put 1 in the comment. If you didn't get any of these, it's still okay. These are very hard words to write. Please practice and then try to get them all correctly next time. Well, this is it for today's lesson. Next lesson, we will finish all the way to the end of this hiragana chart. And we have one more lesson for Hiragana series to wrap up all of these Hiragana rules. So until next time, keep practicing. さよなら。